Welcome back, y'all. Today's topic is how to select an attorney. Now, when I started this channel, I came up with about 30, 40 different topics that I get asked about a lot, on the theory that if y'all are asking me about it, you're probably also searching YouTube about it. Now, that list has gotten longer, as you probably noticed, because I now talk about current events and legal concepts a fair bit. I can't complain about that too much, because not only, as we all know, do lawyers love the sound of their own voice, but as well, raising public awareness about legal education and legal concepts and all of that is generally a good thing. In any event, this past weekend, I got a question from a potential new client, which is, how do I select an attorney? This was not on my initial list, and it really should have been, because it doesn't just apply to business. This could be if you have to hire a divorce attorney, criminal attorney, bankruptcy attorney, anything. This could be if you have to hire any kind of attorney. A lot of these factors are probably applicable in a lot of those situations. So, as always, this is not legal advice. Don't take this as the gospel absolute truth of any way to select an attorney that's ever been written. This is my opinion. Take it for what it's worth. Let's get started. So your first guidepost is that not all attorneys are created equal. We don't all focus on the same areas of the law, and you want to find someone who's the right fit for your legal issue. Meaning, if you have an intellectual property infringement issue, hiring the best bankruptcy lawyer in the country isn't necessarily going to get you anywhere. Or if you're trying to do a big ol' acquisition, hiring a criminal lawyer isn't going to really do much for you. So you have to consider, what is the attorney's focus? What areas of the law do they do in their practice, and find the right attorney for your legal problem. The second piece of advice that I have for you is to ask around. And this could be colleagues of yours that have used an attorney, maybe somebody that you know that had a similar legal problem. Ask them who they used. Ask them if they were happy with that person. Or if you know an attorney, right? To go back to the previous topic, let's say you have a bankruptcy problem, but you know a really good intellectual property attorney. Well, it doesn't mean that that person is necessarily going to be able to solve your problem, but they're more likely to know a good bankruptcy attorney than you are. So talk to that person, ask them, say, hey, do you know anybody that could handle this? They probably have those connections. The third thing to consider is, what are their credentials like? What kinds of cases or deals has this person done in the past? Where did this person go to law school? Not all schools are created equal. There's a huge difference in quality. Has this person been practicing for a while? Are they fresh out? Is this a first-year law school grad? Or have they been doing it for several years? Have they been given any kind of awards or special recognition by either the legal community or various other organizations? What are this person's reviews like? Do they have lots of other clients that are happy with them? Not any one of these factors should necessarily be completely determinative, but if you look at them all as a whole, it'll give you a better picture of who the attorney is. Fourth guideline, I would say the most important of the ones that we're going to talk about today, is to find an attorney who you connect with and you feel like you can really be open and honest with. Find an attorney who's honest with you, and you can in turn be honest and really open up. That candor between attorney and client is absolutely critical to me being able to render good legal advice. If I don't have all the facts, if you've lied to me about something or omitted something or whatever it may be, the advice that I'm going to give you may be subpar, may not be the best. It may be actively harmful. So it's of absolute utmost importance to find an attorney that you can be open and honest with, and who's open and honest with you. So that's it for today. Nice short video. As always, please hit the like and subscribe. Please hit the little bell to get alert notifications. Please take care, and we'll see you next time.